Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please like, share, and subscribe. If you're returning subscriber, most definitely welcome. So Cindy Makatini has announced that she has broken up with Fellow and she won't date industry boys again. There were issues in their relationship and Cindy mentioned something to Fellow and he wasn't happy about it. She asked for forgiveness. Fellow recently brought up those things and Cindy felt that Ugai did not forgive her at all and he was pretending all this time. So it's not safe for her to stay in such a relationship with a pretender and a liar. Cindy announced her relationship in May and people gave her 6 months and it's hardly 3 months and we are here. And a lot of people, I want you to listen to this before I tell you what are people saying about it.
Why didn't you just break up with me at that time? When I still did that thing, and it wasn't stuff I did, it was stuff I said. Like, it was stuff I said, ngomlomo, because I was being provoked. I'm not playing victim. Now, he probably has his side of the story. That's if he was... Khuluma cool, singing the Milky Way. He's wrong. Awukwazi ukuthi ungitshela ukuthi uyangixolela dog, and then emva kalapho uzoyibuyisa lezo zinto. Should you pretend the whole time? Pretend the whole time. It's fine, God, guys. It's fine. And then on top of that, isn't it? Zona. I'm getting emotional. Breathe in.
And a lot of people are talking about your nakedness. They are saying that no one will take a naked lady serious in a relationship. And Fellow is back to his senses. She's for the streets and God loves Fellow so much that he was saved from all this drama. I don't know what you guys think about this breakup. And those who want to look for the guy, his name is Felowani Chidimalo. You can go and search for him. And those who want to shoot their shot, you can try. Probably, who knows, you'll be lucky. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Those who haven't subscribed, please make sure that you're subscribed.